If you want to remove page number from first page in Google Docs, then what you need to do is first go to the Format tab here. You will see the option of page numbers. Just click on it, and here you will see Start At. Select the position of the page number, header or footer. I am selecting here header, and then start page number from 0 and then click on Apply. Now the page number will start from 0 and on the second page it will be 1. So now to remove this page number from the first page, you need to tick this option, different first page. After clicking this option, this page number will be removed. So let's click on it. After clicking on it, as you can see, the first page number 0 has been removed, but on the second page, the page number starts at 1. After doing this, just double click inside the document. In this way, you can remove or delete first page number from Google Docs document. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos related to Google Docs. See you again in the next one.